on these doors, it would be centered on here, and then we usually go right there so that the screw lines up at the bottom of that.
Right, this is one of the last guys.
One more dot. So today the team is putting in the handles on the drawers and cabinets and the crown molding, the tops of the cabinets, and the glass shelves that go inside of the glass doored cabinets.
We find the center on each one of these, and then when we go to drill these, there's a notch on that jig that lines up with my mark, and then that centers the jig on the drawer front. And then the height on them is, we usually go center on the top drawer, and then the same amount down.
So it's the same distance between the top and
Yep.
the position.
Yep, so it'd be here, and then here, and here.
Okay, cool.
We can either do it this way,
Okay.
because it's a pull-out, or we can set it up like it's...
Very good.
You wanted to say hello, huh, Sky?
Yeah, the people at home next door, they opened up their garage doors, so I figured I'd bring her in.
It's one of those things. I know what's right because I used the job.
Hey,
Uh,
that hurts my ears.
Got something to say over there.
She desperately wants to say hello.
She's adorable.
Oh,
That's
she's
for sure.
Sky, you be nice to Lily. She's our friend. Good girl. Okay, Diane, executive decision. They want to know which way to orient the handle on that spice drawer.
It has to be the same way as this.
Holes are too close together?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm drilling one to the other.
A little adjustment to the cabinet door.
So this screw back here moves the door this way.
Yeah.
So each one, top and bottom, and then this one here moves it left and right. And then to move the whole door up and down, you actually have to loosen this screw right here that actually attaches it to the cabinet, and then just adjust it that way.
Three-way adjustment.
Three-way adjustment, yep. If you find that the doors take too long to close, you can take this switch here and flip it around. So now that will make it so the soft close is not so soft. Whereas this one here, I haven't touched it. So
Oh,
it stays.
okay.
Yep.
Interesting. Wow.
So have a range of adjustment. The other ones are just simply on and off. There's a viscous fluid in there.
Oh, okay.
Then piston, and what you're doing is you're limiting the piston, its movement. So when you're
Wow. Do you ever have to change the oil?
no.
The gap's tighter here.
Bring that in by screwing it in just a hair. That line them almost perfectly lined up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One shot.
One shot.
I can't imagine we'll have sagging shelves in these cherry cabinets.
No. No. If you do, you're probably storing gold bullion. Right? Well, it's good that you're getting paid for a hobby, basically.
It is.
Yeah.
A lot of people have hobbies, you know, like creating things, woodwork, crafts. They put a lot of work and a lot of creative energy into it, and it's very difficult to earn back what you put into it.
Yeah.
The upper cabinets are all installed. Next, Chris will be installing the crown molding.
Oh wow, that looks nice.
Purposely made them just a hair long just to make sure that I wasn't too short.
And that heavy texture makes it more difficult to get things level.
Must be something behind it that's deflecting it. There we go.
Nice. This corner unit has some complicated angles. So Chris is saying you can literally shave off such a fine piece of wood that you can see through it. Fine adjustments are needed.
Whatever's left over, I can make this pure putty.
Looks like we have just 2 more pieces of crown molding. Now for some putty and a little bit of touch-up, and it's all good.
Fill in the holes and gaps. Filler that actually uses sawdust from the very fine sawdust from the actual wood that you're using.
Huh.
So it's kind of gritty because of that, but so nice thing about it is it will also age with the wood, so it maintains the same color variation of the cherry over time.
How much darker would this cherry?
That edge right there is as dark as it's going to get.
Oh, okay. That's a good comparison.
Yeah. It'll still be there. It'll just be darker.
Oh, the
It's like
texture.
how, yeah, how it looks like there's
Dark
ripples
white.
in it. Yeah. Yeah, it'll still maintain that.
So that sound you hear is a custom cooling fan that Chris designed from a computer fan and parts of a what? A
Cordless drill.
cordless drill. It looks pretty effective.
Yeah, it definitely helps to keep you cool on a hot day.
Chris is often nicknamed MacGyver. This one of the cabinets gets the glass shelves. The electrician will be back to install the lights.
The edge, take the sharpness away on the front leading edge. So
Okay.
the back edge isn't, they don't do that on the back edge. That way when you reach into past the edge of the glass shelf, you don't cut yourself.
Nice. Can't wait to see it lit.